Okay, we are here at Downs Road at night with a night vision camera. Chris is gonna go down there.
You should come in.
Now, you have to shine the light, Chris, too, and hold it. Okay. Shine the light first. No, shine the light and then put the camera. Yes, now walk like that. Is it working better?
Kind of. Yeah, you should come in. You guys aren't coming in? If there's anything here. Any spirits around here? Make yourself know. If there's any spirits here, can you like throw a rock? Or, see, let me flashlight here. Make a noise. I just heard a squeak. Was that you? Oh, excuse me. Filming out here. It is a camcorder, but it's a walking trail that is haunted. It is a Bigfoot species out here. Can you throw a rock at me? UFO sightings around here too. I just got a really eerie feeling out here. I walked into its world. I won't go too far because it's 1 in the morning and I don't want to become animal food. Hi, butterfly. Okay. See how the sun's right there. We're not too far in. Can you speak? Here. I have an idea. Let's turn the spirit box on. If there's a spirit out here, would you like to say something? What'd you say?
It's coming.
It's coming. Yeah. Nope. Oh, fuck that. I'm too hungry for that shit. Dude. I just got something. I have a spirit box. And it just said, it's coming.
Cool. Chris, get in. I want to do a spirit box inside here. That was like incredible. Do you still have it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said, holy fuck. It said, it's coming.
Yeah. But you have your spirit box on, like now?
Yeah.
Now close the window.
Why?
Said it's coming. Thank you.
Alright, so we're still in the car at Downs Road here, because let me have the camera and the phone. It's still on the night vision?
Yeah.
See, it looks good in here.
It got good
Here,
in the
lock the
leaves.
doors.
I'm gonna go back over there. It said it's
No, I think that's it, Chris. Wait. Is this as loud as it goes?
It's here.
Wait. Okay.
What's here?
2? What's 2? I don't know what that said. 2 what?
Unwelcome.
Unwelcomed. Did you hear that? Why are we unwelcomed? Why aren't we welcome here? No. What?
Visitor?
Disturbed.
What is it?
I don't know. Are you...
I want to go back over there.
Wait.
I felt like I heard something coming.
Wait.
Too.
Is there a Downs Road monster here? Weed.
It did over there. He said I was close.
Wait. Chris, you're talking too much, Chris. Is there someone here with us right now? Is there somebody with us right now? Is there something in those woods? I just heard something.
It said something.
Can you repeat that, please? Is there a Downs Road monster?
No.
Just wait. Wait for what? Wait for what? What are we waiting for?
Every time you
Whoa.
talk,
What it said you're dead?
Holy shit, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
You're dead.
Every time you talk, that talks.
Wait. I'm gonna not talk then. Stupid. No, say. Why did you say
It's coming.
we're dead? What? Is there a Downs Road monster here?
Oh, that's the...
Would it be safe if Chris goes back outside? Would it be...
Ribs.
Ribs? Would it be safe if Chris goes back outside? Are you still there? Go home? Do you want us to go home? You think... Whoa, so go home again.
Oh shit.
You think we should go home?
I want to go over there one more time, and I want
Wait.
someone to come with me.
What's going to happen if Chris goes one more time?
I wouldn't.
Don't push it. You said don't push it. Don't push what? Is there an animal out there? Is that why? Or is this something else?
What is it?
Sounds like it said something else.
Is there a demon in these woods?
No, I don't think so.
Is Bigfoot in these woods a little small creature?
Are you still there? Uh-huh. Yes. Suffering.
Is there who's suffering
Well,
out there?
What did I just say? Jesus?
Yeah.
This thing turned off.
Who's out there suffering is what I wonder. What's out there suffering?
Your spirit box just turned off.
I want to go back out there.
Please don't.
Sorry, the spirit box just turned off.
You turned it off.
It turned.
What is suffering out in these woods?
You.
What's that?
I don't know. What is suffering out here? Itch? What?
Does witchcraft happen in these woods?
Witch. I keep saying witch.
Satanic out here? Are you coming?
What the fuck?
Are you coming?
He was like, are you coming?
No.
Should we leave now?
Do you want me to come out in that woods?
Yes. Well, I think we're going to leave now. I think we're going to leave now.
No, it has to do something to make me leave.
Chris, don't say that.
Okay, stop it, man. Well, do something, all right.
I think we're going to leave now. We keep saying, and the witch.
If there's a so-called witch, can you form right in front of us?
What?
It's a warning.
That was a wow. Okay.
I gave you a warning, that's good enough.
Okay, I think we should leave. I'm going to end the session now.
Go out there.
Wait.
Let me see.
Please don't.
Chris, stop. Stop.
Please don't go out.
Plus, that's
Wait.
right here.
I'm going to end the session now.
There's nowhere to go or
Please
whatever.
don't go back out.
That's creepy.
Okay. No. Okay, goodbye. I'm ending.
Hold on. Is there a witch out there? You want my soul, don't you?
Chris,
Not allowed.
you take it too far, man.
You shouldn't do that, Chris. You never know what might happen.
No.
Alright, I'm ending the session now. Goodbye.
I
Goodbye.
want to go back over. Wait, don't leave. What is it?
Yeah, wait, don't leave. I'm done.
It wants me in there.
Nope, I don't think we should do that, Chris.
I want to go back over there one more time.
Chris, that's creepy
Yeah,
as shit, man.
Does happen.
I mean, maybe there is an animal or
I heard a
something.
squeak when I was
I heard something too. That's why I said, what is that?
I was standing out here and I heard something.
Yeah, I did too. That spirit boxing's fucking creepy. I don't
Trust that.
Oh, it was responding to us.
The voice things.
No, that's the only way it
When
has.
I was out there by myself, it just said, I don't know, it's coming! Like that. So,
Well,
Were
let
you
it come.
talking to it?
I turned it on. I said, if there's anything out here, and it's coming!
Let's get out of here.
Oh, I want to go back out there.
The battery doesn't have too much life left. Look, it has one bar.
You should come up here during the day.
Yeah, no.
Dude, it like drained the battery. Okay.
Let me go by the thing over there. Let me see something.
By what thing?
By the barrier. I'm not going in the woods. How long is this? 13?
Chris, come on. This scares me.
Really?
Where's my phone?
That's you know, it's an I'm going out there.
If there is a witch here, I want protection from my spiritual guides right now to stand around me. But if there's a witch here, can you hit that pole or manifest in front of the camera? Yeah.
Your doors just locked by themselves.
Don't say that.
I'm not kidding.
Did the doors really?
Let's go.
You coming out here? Come on.
Hell no!
Let's go. Let's come on. I don't trust this.
Not there.
Can you please manifest in front of me, you have to manifest. I throw a rock. I heard you say coming. What's coming? I'll put my spirit box on. Spirit box back on. Is it coming? No. Do you want me down the Witch's Road? Do you want me to walk down that road? Is there witchcraft that happens in here? The witch.
They keep saying that. Let's go. No, it's not.
Can you like scream or yell? Would you like an offering? No, shit. I just heard a from the woods. Something just went in the woods.
You don't know what's out there. You got nowhere to go.
And that spirit box. I'm gonna lock the doors. Alright?
Yeah.
Is the spirit box done?
Yeah.
Imagine how that thing's gonna be at the cemetery.
Let's go.
Yeah. Is the camera on still? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ending short.
Those trees are like, those things are moving over there.
Yeah, they weren't doing that before.
No, they weren't. Look.
No, everything is moving. Yeah. It's the wind.
Let's get out of here.